Hey everyone, I'm Adrian from Flow Designs. Today we're going to install a fire extinguisher bracket on the BRZ and the GR86. Let's go. Okay, before we get started, I'm going to walk you through what you're going to get if you order our fire extinguisher bracket. You're going to get the main seat rail mount, as well as the fire extinguisher mounting plate. You're going to get a few fittings to mount a fire extinguisher bracket to the mounting plate. And in order to do this, you're going to need a 8mm spanner, a 3mm hex bit, and a wrench, ratcheting wrench with a 12mm socket. Let's go. Okay, first step of the install is we're going to remove the 2 bolts at the front of the seat rail. This works on both sides of the car, so up to you which one you want to mount to. Okay, we're going to take our seat rail mounting bracket and we're going to slide it under the front of the seat rail. If you find you need a bit more space, you can loosen up the 2 bolts at the back as well. Okay, we've got our bracket installed under our seat rails. Now we can go ahead and reinstall the stock bolts that we took out. Okay, next step is we're going to assemble the fire extinguisher bracket to our mounting plate. The fire extinguisher and the bracket are not supplied by us. That's something you need to purchase separately. We supply the fittings that should bolt to our plate, and we'll go ahead and do that now. Okay, so our mounting plate has a few different holes which allow you to adjust where the fire extinguisher will sit, either out more or in. Once you find the position you're happy with, you can tighten it down, and if you ever need to take it out, it's real quick and easy to remove. Okay, once you're happy with how everything's positioned, tighten everything down, chuck in your fire extinguisher, and you're ready to go. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in any of the products, link will be in the description. Thanks.